If you searched how to buy shares of ACEA S.p.A, this short guide will walk you through the main steps. ACEA is an Italian utility company in water and energy services listed on CBOE EU as ACE.MI, and this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ACE.MI to locate the listing. Make sure you select the entry that shows ACEA S.p.A on CBOE EU to avoid confusion with other symbols. Open the asset page to read basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct ACEA S.p.A listing. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute later, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the trade is placed, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you wish to explore the platform further.